Hello there guys! For today's video, I'm going to show you how to create infrared effect in Photoshop. And also we'll dive deeper into inverting of layers, changing of blending mode, applying channel mixer, and hue and saturation. So let's get started! So here in our document, I prepare here an image of this landscape on a farm. And our goal here is to create an infrared effect. So the first step we're going to do here is we're going to create a duplicate layer of our background layer. So going on to the layers panel, select on the background layer and then press Ctrl plus J. And let's rename this layer as the infrared. Okay, so with that infrared layer selected, I'm going to invert that, making sure that you're selected on that layer and then press Ctrl plus I. Alright, so actually the image is already inverted. And by the way, if you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my videos to other nerds like us. We're going back, the next step we're gonna do here is we're going to change its blending mode. So to do that, with that infrared layer selected, go here, alright? So click this arrow down and then change the blending mode to color. So we already created this kind of effect. Now, the next step we're going to do here is we're going to apply the channel mixer. Going on to the adjustment layer icon here, alright? So just click on this icon and then choose on channel mixer. And then under the monochrome, yes, from red, set this one to red. Okay, so from the red, we're going to adjust this one to 0. Okay, and then let's go to blue, adjust this one oppositely to 100. Okay, there you are. And then now let's change the output channel, click this one down, and then let's change it to blue. Okay, now this time under red, we're going to make this one as 100. And let's go to the blue, set this one to 0. Okay, so I already created an effect like this. I want to make it more pinkish. Okay, so to do that, let's add another layer. That will be for the hue and saturation. So going on to the adjustment layer icon, click that, and then find hue and saturation. Under the master here, okay, I'm going to click and drag this hue to find a pinker effect on the grass. Yes, 26. And then for the saturation, I'm going to increase that into the amount of 15. Okay, so I'm not yet satisfied with this pinkish. Negative 18 is good for me. I also want to invert the color of that because the original color of this tractor is red. So the opposite color of that is green. Fix that. Go here. All right, click this one. And what's the color of that? It's a little bit yellow. Click on yellow. And then let's move this lighter until the tractor turns green. All right, this one is okay for me. And then for the saturation, let's add a little bit. So I'll just set that to 15 as well. Now we're good with this. Now let me show you the before and after. So this one is the before and this one is the after. And that is how to create infrared effect in Photoshop.